Welcome to the tutorial on how to pair the Altec Melody Bluetooth speaker with your phone. Are you experiencing difficulty connecting various devices to your speaker? Learning how to do it easily will make streaming music a breeze. Start by locating the power button. Press and hold it for about 5 seconds until you hear a startup sound or see indicator lights flashing. Your speaker is now in pairing mode. Grab your smartphone or other Bluetooth-enabled device, navigate to the Bluetooth settings, and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Search for nearby devices and look for the Melody speaker as a selectable option. Tap on the speaker's name to begin the pairing process. Once connected, you'll hear a confirmation sound or see a notification on your device. Your Altec Melody speaker is now ready to use. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Altec Melody speaker in the playlist, linked in the description below.